This robotic petal dress took over 4 months to create, and it's the brainchild of fashion-mad scientist Cameron Hughes. You may know Cameron from his thermal dress made out of receipt printers, giving CVS a run for its money. Or maybe you know him from his mesmerizing color-changing dress that cycles between colors and movements. He also created this robotic feather dress modeled by world-famous drag queen Aquaria. And let's not forget about the mechanical headpiece he made for the season 14 finale of RuPaul's Drag Race. It was made using ostrich feathers and was showcased by Drag Race finalist Bosco. He also made pieces for Charli XCX and Doja Cat. Cameron's newest creation, the petal dress, required so many skill sets, design iterations, and time. This includes printing on 4 different 3D printers non-stop 24/7 for weeks on end. The final product was modeled by the one and only Dylan Mulvaney for her famous face reveal. Dylan and this petal dress have been viewed over 30 million times on TikTok and Instagram, and none of it would have been possible without its creator, Cameron Hughes. So let's take a look at how he made this. But first, please subscribe and share this with a friend. This dress uses dual-access robotic motors that attach to large petals which move in 2 directions, up and down and side to side. First comes the mock-up, using paper and then eventually fabric for the final pieces. Cameron must sync the motors and program them to allow the dress to transform in various impressive ways. He does his 3D modeling with the help of CAD, computer-aided design software. This is a quicker and more reliable design method than traditional drawing. This dress consists of a variety of materials: plastic, silk taffeta, glue, thread, interfacing, and also aluminum rod for structure. Each finished petal connects to a corresponding motor. Because the silk taffeta is facing 2 different directions, it gives off a color-changing effect. There are so many steps to make this dress workable and wearable. As you can see, it involves design, engineering, programming, and patience. Yes, it does need to look pretty, but all of its moving parts must function correctly, which involves a solid structure and intricate coding. Creating the 3D pieces for this dress isn't just a print job. It also involves washing and curing each piece, over 100 in total, and that doesn't even include sanding, priming, and painting. Creating anything robotic involves trial and error. Cameron ran many different experiments to see how he could best manipulate the petals to get the desired effect. This involved programming. As the lower half of the piece progressed, it was time for Cameron to work on the bodice. First, he starts with saran wrap and tape. This allows him to draw on the style lines and then cut them out to get the individual pattern pieces. This bodice consists of 30 individual panels. Cameron used both a sewing machine and hand stitching on this design. After 4 weeks of work, the bodice was done. And the dress was done, and it just needed some final programming tweaks. Once that was complete, he FaceTimed with the lucky model who had the honor of wearing it, Dylan Mulvaney. As you can see, it was a complete success. On January 26th, Dylan shared this Cameron Hughes original with the world. And to think it all started out with cardboard cutouts and metal rods. This petal dress is a functioning, fashionable piece of wearable art. For more highly engineered fashion inventions, please make sure to follow Cameron Hughes on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe and share this with a friend. Thanks for watching.